quadrilateral we have studied. Next, 4 sides and one of the diagonal is given. In that case, how we have to construct the quadrilateral we studied. And thirdly, 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. And fourth one, when side, angle, side, 2 angles. 2 sides, 3 angles are given. In that case, how we have to construct. And today we are going to learn the last rule when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. In that case, how we need to construct the quadrilateral we will learn now. Okay, my first one is so go through with the example problem, then we will understand. Construction of quadrilateral. Construction of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. 2 included angles are given. In that case, how we need to construct the quadrilateral? So first of all, side, angle, side, angle, side. So in this case, how we need to construct the quadrilateral, we will see. And go through with the example. So my first example is construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 5 centimeters, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeters, CD is equal to 6 centimeters, angle B equal to 100 degrees, and angle C is equal to 75 degrees. These are the given measurements. So 3 sides and 2 angles are given. Included angles are given. In that case, how we need to construct? So first of all, draw the quadrilateral ABCD. So quadrilateral, just I am drawing, that's all. Angle B is 100 given. Angle C is 75. And like this. So ABCD is my quadrilateral. AB length is 5 centimeters. Sorry. Okay. AB with 5 centimeters and angle B equal to 100 degrees. Angle C is 75 degrees. Like this I will get. And then ABCD. We will not get in this shape, but just I am drawing the quadrilateral. So B is 100 degrees, we know this. And this is 75 degrees, we know. And side, angle, and BC side 4.5 centimeters given. Side, angle, side, CD, 6 centimeters given. Side, angle, side. 2 included angles between 3 sides given. Okay. Now, by using that rough figure, construct your original quadrilateral. So, with your instrument, construct the line segment AB of 5 centimeters by using the scale. So, take your scale and construct AB of 5 centimeters. Okay. And angle B is 100 degrees. That is obtuse angle, more than 90 degrees. So, B is here we need to set the protractor at B. For B, remaining portion, AB portion is at left side, yes or no? So left side we will consider the upper value, yes or no? So upper 100 degrees we need to construct 100 degrees. Now BC, A, B and next vertex will be C. C is equal, BC length is equal to 4.5 centimeters. So with your compass, we want to locate C first of all. With your compass, take 4.5 centimeters radius, B as center, draw an arc at C. Now it is 4.5 centimeters. So like this, we got triangle ABC using side, angle, side criterion. Now to get the fourth vertex, the remaining 2 measurements we need to finish. We need to use, that is angle C 75 degrees we must construct, and CD length, by using the CD length we must draw the arc. Now construct angle C of 75 degrees by placing the protractor. So set your protractor here. So in this direction we have to set. For in this direction, again this remaining portion BC is left side further. So here I have we need to keep the protractor. Now again it is left side only increasing. That line segment is produced at left side only. Means upper values we have to count. How many degrees? 75 degrees. 75 is acute angle. So like this, less than 90 degrees I will get, not more than 90. So angle C is equal to 75 degrees. Angle C is equal to 75 degrees. This is ray Y. CY making the angle 75 degrees with the line segment BC. Okay. Now we want a D vertex. For that remaining measurement is CD only. So with the 6 centimeters radius, C as center, draw an arc using the compass. Locate that point as a D. Now join A and D. So CD length given 6 centimeters. Side, angle, side. Here we can use any line segment as the base. So when I am taking AB as the base, I will get the quadrilateral in this way. If I am taking the base as BC, so if I am taking the base BC, angle B is 100 degrees given. So now if I am placing the protractor, this side is extending, right side. Means inner values I need to count. So take angle B equal to 100 degrees and angle C is 75, acute angle. B, C, next clockwise direction. B, okay. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now BC given 4.5 centimeters, CD is 6 centimeters, DA that is we don't know, and AB is equal to 5 centimeters. Side, angle, criterion. Now use the instrument and find it. So first of all, according to the rough figure, I need to construct BC baseline segment 4.5 centimeters using the scale. And now by using the protractor, okay, either I can construct B or C, anything, that is my wish. So I am going through ABC triangle first. Okay, for that what I am doing, angle B I am constructing, that is ray BX making with BC 100 degrees angle. And here I need to get A. So what is the distance between A and B? 5 centimeters. So take that 5 centimeters radius, B as center, draw an arc. Then I'll get the third vertex A. So this is 5 centimeters. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So we got the triangle ABC. Okay. Now use C. Angle C equal to 75 degrees. So keep the protractor here and construct 75 degrees. CY is equal to 75 degrees, making with the BC. Now, C as center, 6 centimeters radius, draw an arc at CY. Then, we will get the fourth vertex D, so which is equal to 6 centimeters. Whenever included angles are given, wherever you have constructed the angle, there only will get the arc. And that means that side only they will get included angle. Between these two sides, this is the included angle. Between these two sides, this is the included angle. So wherever you have constructed the angle, on that side only you will get the another side. And on that ray only will get the fourth side. That measurement only they will get. Means if angle C is given, from C only we need to draw the arc. If angle B is given, from B only we must draw the arc. That's all. Okay. Now, if I have used CD as the base, in that case, how can I construct? CD is equal to 6 centimeters. I don't have, I have angle C equal to 75 degrees. So I'll get like this because right side is there, down values I must take. So angle C is equal to 75 degrees. So just it is a rough figure. I'm drawing the quadrilateral ABCD. So A, B, C, D. Angle C is 75 degrees, angle B is 100 degrees, and BC given 4.5 centimeters, AB given 5 centimeters. These are the given measurements and that is my rough figure. Now in that figure I have chosen the CD as the base. So take CD as the base and construct CD using the scale. So use your scale, construct CD of 6 centimeters. Okay. Now construct angle C, because angle D we didn't have, angle side AD also we don't have. So compulsory we need to go at the C side only. Angle C will be equal to 75 degrees. So place your protractor here. Now it is producing at right side. So right side down values we must consider. So take the inner scale and mark 75 degrees. So now construct ray CX, making an angle of 75 degrees with the line segment CD. Now wherever we are constructed the angle, because these two are included angles, that side only we must draw the arc. That means we must use CB, BC length to get B. So BC of 4.5. C as center with 4.5 centimeters radius, draw an arc and locate that intersecting point as B. Okay. Now at B, construct an angle of 100 degrees using the protractor. Here we need to place the protractor in this direction, because it is a obtuse angle. We'll get in this way more than, actually 90 degrees we'll get like this for this ray. Okay. So more than 90 degrees, that is 100 degrees we'll get in this way. Ray BY making 100 degrees of angle, 100 degrees of angle with the line segment BC. Okay. This one also we need to use the protractor. Now wherever I have constructed the angle, from there only I need to take the other lines, other length. I must find out the fourth vertex, because included angle. So last which side we have to take BA, that is 5 centimeters. So take 5 centimeters radius, B at center, cut the ray at A. Now it is 5 centimeters. So join AD. Side, angle, side, angle, side. By using these 5 measurements, we have constructed the quadrilateral ABCD. So take any of the given line segments as base, but construction, whatever angles are given, where you have constructed the angles, that side only you need to take the distance, arcs, because the angles are included angles. Okay. Now construction steps. So for this quadrilateral I am writing. Last quadrilateral. First, what I did, I have constructed CD of 6 centimeters. Sorry, I have constructed the rough figure first. So draw the rough figure. Draw the rough figure with the given measurement. Draw the rough figure with the given measures. And what is my second point? What I did? Construct a triangle BCD. Yes or no? This one only we have constructed. So construct a triangle BCD using side angle side included angles by side angle side rule for the given measures. For the given measures, that is my second point. Okay. Now coming to the third point. Till here over now. So to get the fourth vertex, what we did? Angle B constructed, and with AB we have cutted that ray at A. Yes or no? So for that, first of all, construct, otherwise set protractor at B, set protractor at B, and draw a ray BY, which makes 100 degrees with AB, line segment AB. That's all. Angle B we have constructed. And my fourth point. So observe the fourth point. After constructing B, I have used the AB length. So with AB equal to 5 centimeters radius, B as center with 5 centimeters radius, B as center, cut the ray BY at A. Join, and my fifth point, join AD, thus the required quadrilateral. Thus the quadrilateral ABCD is formed. So once again I am telling, whenever 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, take any one of the side as the base. First try to construct the triangles by using the side angle side criterion. After that, to get the fourth vertex, so use the remaining 2 measurements, that is angle and side. Included angle and side, find out the fourth vertex. That's all. And these are the construction steps. Now coming to the exercise problem. 3.5, depending on side angle, side rule. Now they are given first question, construct quadrilateral PQRS, with PQ equal to 3.6 centimeters, QR equal to 4.5 centimeters, and RX is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Angle PQR equal to 135 degrees and angle QRS is equal to 60 degrees. So now observe the question and try to simplify this question. So construct a quadrilateral PQRS with PQ, QR and RS. Those are the 3 sides and these are the 2 angles, included angles. Angle Q, PQR is nothing but angle Q given, and angle QRS is nothing but angle R given, middle letter. Q and R given. So it is very easy if you are taking that side only. Angle PQR, angle QRS. Angle Q and angle R are included in which of the side? PQ. Here only Q we have. QR, angle Q and angle R is given. So try to take that side only. Very easily you will get the answer. To set the protractor, you will not get any difficulty if you are taking the side which is having those 2 angles as the base. So what I am taking here, they are given angle Q and angle R. For that sake, I am taking the side QR as the base. So my rough figure is QR is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Now angle Q how much given? 135 degrees. So 135 is obtuse angle, like this I will get. 135 degrees. So P, Q, R, yes I will get. Angle R equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees is acute angle. Here is and these two. Now PQ length is equal to 3.6 centimeters. QR is 4.5. RS is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Angle Q is 135 obtuse angle. Angle R is 60 degrees acute angle, less than 90. Okay. Now construct the quadrilateral with the given with the rough figure. Okay. In the rough figure, what I have shown, QR equal to 4.5 centimeters. So construct the QR of 4.5 centimeters using the scale. Now set the protractor at Q. Okay, because I am trying to construct a PQR, triangle PQR. Okay, you can construct a triangle QRS also, no problem. But I am taking triangle QRP now. Construct angle Q by keeping the protractor here. Set your protractor here. 135 is obtuse angle and it is lying right side. Line segment is lying right side, means the inner values I need to count. So take 135 degrees. That means obtuse angle I will get. So angle Q equal to 135 degrees. You must measure with the protractor, and it is ray QX. Ray QX making an angle 135 degrees with the line segment QR. Side angle over. Now take this side. PQ equal to 3.6 centimeters given. Observe the rough figure. 3.6. So with 3.6 centimeters radius, QI center. Here I have constructed the angle. There only I must take as center. So QI center with 3.6 centimeters radius. Draw an arc. Is P. 3.6 centimeters. Now use remaining two measurements. So we got triangle PQR by using the given measurements. By using side angle side criterion, we got the triangle PQR. Now we want to get the fourth vertex. So for that they are given angle R and SR length, RS length. So use that. First of all, construct the angle R by using the protractor. So for that I need to place the protractor at R. When I am placing the protractor at R, this portion is like produced at the left side. Yes or no? Means upper values I need to count. Upper values, how many degrees I must mark? 60 degrees. So take 60 degrees. 60 degrees is obtuse angle. It is less than 90 degrees. So ray RY making 60 degrees with the line segment QR. That's all. Okay. Now RI center with 5.6 centimeters radius, draw an arc. It is S. So 5.6 centimeters. Now we got all this. Just join P and S. So we got the quadrilateral PQRS with the given measurements. So construction steps. First, what are we did? Draw the rough figure. Draw the rough figure for the given measurements. For the given measurements. And secondly, what are we did? We have constructed the triangle PQR using side angle side criterion. So construct triangle PQR using side angle side rule for the given measures. For the given measurements or measures, no problem. And next, third point, after constructing PQR, we are trying to find out the S. So for that we have constructed angle R. So set the protractor at R. Set the protractor at R. At R. Draw an arc. Sorry, draw a ray RY, which is making 60 degrees with line segment QR. With the QR, line segment QR. Now, so thus angle 60 degrees we have finished. Now we have used 5.6 centimeters radius and RS center. We have drawn the arc at S. So fourth point, RS center 5.6 centimeter with 5.6 centimeters radius. Cut the ray RY at S. That's all. We got the point S. Now fifth point, join PS, side PS, that is SP or PS, anything. Join SP. Thus the required quadrilateral. PQRS is formed. So very simple. Whatever we did, we need to write in the words. That's all. Those are the construction steps. Now first thing, by using the given measurements, I have to construct the rough figure. So it is very simple. Side, angle side means two included angles are given. Identify what are the two included angles. So try to take those two angles are having in which of the side. take that side only as the base. So here they are given angle Q and angle R. For that sake, I am taking QR line segment as base. Now construct angle Q and find out P first. That from that PQR triangle will be formed. After that, for S, construct angle R and RS center with the 5.6 centimeters radius. Cut the ray BRY at S. Thus, we will get the fourth vertex S also. So now join the third and fourth vertices P and S. Thus, we will get PQRS quadrilateral. That's it. Now coming to the second question. Construct a quadrilateral lamp with LAMP. Lamp with AM is equal to MP is equal to PL is equal to 5 centimeters. Angle M is 90 degrees and angle P is equal to 60 degrees. These are the 5 measurements are given, and observe the question. What are the given angles? Angle M and P. So try to take that line segment only and just observe all the line segments are equal. So construct the first 5 centimeters line segment by using MP. Because they are given angle M and angle P. For that sake only I am using the line segment MP. So MP of 5 centimeters. Now I need to construct angle M equal to 90 degrees. So compulsory I will get like this only. And angle P is 60 degrees. So that is acute angle, like this I will get. Then here so here I will get AM is equal to 5 centimeters, MP is equal to 5 centimeters, PL also equal to 5 centimeters, and AL we need to write this. So it is 90 degrees, and here I will get a 60 degrees. So this is my rough figure. Because here angle M and angle P are given, so I am taking the baseline as MP. MP and PL, AM all are equal to 5 centimeters only. So MP 5 centimeters I have taken, and I need to construct angle M 90 degrees, angle P 60 degrees, and after that M as center with 5 centimeters radius I must draw an arc, and P as center 5 centimeters radius, again I need to draw an arc which is meeting at L, and join A and L. Thus the required line quadrilateral lamp you will get. We will do now. So first of all, draw the line segment MP of 5 centimeters. Now construct angle M is equal to 90 degrees by using the protractor. So 90 degrees straight L shape we will get. So this is 90 degrees. Ray MX making 90 degrees with the line segment MP. Okay. Now M as center with 5 centimeters radius, draw an arc. It is A. Because LAMP lamp, correct order we must place. Okay, this is A. Now PL. So this with this we have constructed the triangle AMP. Now P as center. Sorry. Set your protractor at P. So like this we must set it. Now this side is producing. So left side upper values still 60 we must count. So like this I will get 60 degrees. Now ray PY is making 60 degrees with the line segment MP. Now P as center with 5 centimeters radius, cut that ray PY at L. So it is 5 centimeters. Now join A and L. That's all. We will get the quadrilateral lamp LAMP. That's all. So what we did first, Draw a rough figure. Draw a rough figure with the given measures. With the given measures. And second point, what are we did? According to the rough figure, we are constructing the quadrilateral. So first of all, we have constructed the triangle AMP. So construct triangle AMP using side angle side criterion. Side angle side rule for the given measurements. For the given measurements. Okay. After that, what are we did? What we did? So this fourth vertex L we need to find. So for that we have constructed P, angle P. That is, set your protractor at P. Set the protractor at P. Set the protractor at P and draw a ray. Draw a ray PY which is making 60 degrees angle with MP, line segment MP. That's all. Now we got angle 60 degrees also. Now use the last measurement 5 centimeters. P as center, draw an arc to get L. So what we did, P as center. Wherever we are constructed the angle, there only we must take the center because it is included angle. Okay, P as center with 5 centimeters radius. 5 centimeters radius. Draw an arc which cuts ray PY at L. Draw an arc which cuts ray PY at L. So that's the 4 points here. M, P, L, A, all we get. So that is, now join A, L. Thus the required quadrilateral. Thus the required quadrilateral LAMP is formed. So in this case, we can use anything as the base, but for our easiest calculations, constructions, that is angles, for our easiest construction, I am using whatever angles are there, that angles, those two angles are present in which line segment, that one only as the base. So here they are mentioned angle M and angle P. For that sake, line segment MP I am taking as the base to construct the angles properly. That's all. So after constructing the line segment, first construct the angle and use one of the side. Wherever you have constructed the angle, that side only you must take the side. So that we will get the triangle by using the side angle side criterion. After that, we need fourth vertex for that remaining two measurements, that is angle and side. So angle construct by using the protractor. After constructing the angle with the radius, wherever you have constructed the angle, there only take as a center, cut the ray. So thus you will get the fourth vertex. Join third and fourth vertices so that you will get the quadrilateral lamp. Okay. Now coming to the last question. Trapezium. Construct a trapezium. So this is my third problem. Construct a trapezium. Trapezium ABCD with in which AB is parallel to CD. That means parallel lines are AB and CD. AB equal to 8 centimeters. BC is equal to 6, CD equal to 4. BC equal to 6 centimeters, CD is equal to 4 centimeters, and angle B equal to 60 degrees. So whenever they are given the measurements, first of all, observe are they given all measurements or not. So observe here how many measures are given: AB, BC, CD. 3 line segments are given. Angle B, one of the angle given. Only 4 measurements. With the 4 measurements, are we able to construct the quadrilateral? No, we need 5 measurements. For that, which name they have mentioned? Quadrilateral, trapezium. So in the trapezium and parallel lines also mentioned. From that we can get this another measurement what we need. So only one angle is given. One more angle we want. Okay. So that one more angle, which angle? One more angle we can get with this condition AB is parallel to CD. So first of all, draw the rough figure, then we'll understand. ABCD is a trapezium. In that, AB and CD are parallel lines. AB and CD are parallel lines. So this is the indication for parallel line. AB is of 8 centimeters, BC of 6 centimeters, and CD of 4 centimeters. And angle B equal to 60 degrees. Like this, only 4 measurements are given. So to get this one, AD is unknown value. Yes or no? So that means no need to take this angle. We don't want this angle. So for B, adjacent angles are A and C. A, I am telling to don't take. So what will be the included angle? Side angle. This one, angle C is included between these two sides. CD and BC, included angle is C, means this angle we need. To get that angle, we must use the properties of parallel lines. So when two lines are parallel, observe which angles are these. Angle 60 and 60 degrees and this angle C. How are they? They are like this one. These two will become as the transversals. But now AD we don't want. Only BC we are taking. BC is the transversal. Angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees because those two are co-interior angles. Sum of the co-interior angles is equal to always 180 degrees. So 60 I got. Here how much I must get? 120 degrees only compulsory. 60 plus 120 is equal to 180. Okay. So for that, first of all, to get the third angle, another measurement, they are given that AB is parallel to CD. So BC is a transversal. So angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Since they are lying same side of the transversal line, both are inside only. So our angle B comma angle C are co-interior angles. Because those two are co-interior angles, in case of parallel lines, sum of the co-interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. That's all. So now angle B we have 60 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So angle C will be equal to 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 degrees. So now we got the fifth measurement also. Angle B and angle C is there. So take the included line segment BC. Draw the rough figure. Otherwise, use that rough figure only, because here I have used this line like this. I have mentioned the trapezium, so like that only draw. Now AB I am taking as the base. How you have drawn the rough figure, according to that only we need to construct the quadrilateral. So remember, while you are drawing the quadrilateral only, correctly you must do. So now what I am doing? First of all, I am constructing AB of 8 centimeters. So all these calculations are important because we want the fifth measurement also. For that check compulsory, you need to find out the fifth measurement by the given conditions. So here they have mentioned parallel lines, means compulsory in case of parallel lines, you will get the transversal. In the transversal, we have 3 conditions. The corresponding angles are equal for a parallel line, and alternate angles are equal, and sum of the co-interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So the angles, those are related to which step we must. So we need to find out included angle between the remaining two sides. First AB and BC included angle B, they are given. So BC and CD included angle is C. That C did not give, so we need to find out C. Now B and C are lying same side of the transversal and both are inside only. So those are co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle C will be equal to 120 degrees we got. Now construct the trapezium using the given measurement. So AB equal to 8 centimeters I have drawn. Now I must construct angle B equal to 120 degrees. Angle B equal to 60 degrees using the protractor. So when we are placing the protractor at B, I must check. So it is producing at left side. Upper values I have to check 60 degrees. Now I want C point. So for that, how many degrees are there? How much line segment given? 6 centimeters. BC is equal to 6 centimeters. B as center with 6 centimeters radius, draw an arc. That's all. ABC triangle we got by using the side angle side criterion. Now at C, set your protractor, construct 120 degrees. 120 degrees is obtuse angle. Okay. While you are using the instruments, you will get the correct quadrilateral. Now, because I am drawing roughly, that's why we are not getting proper trapezium. Okay, 120 degrees and CD of 4 centimeters. So ray CY making 120 degrees with line segment BC and C with 4 centimeters radius, cut the ray CY at D. Now join AD. That's the trapezium, whatever trapezium we need, that one will get. Okay, so this one like this will get. Two parallel lines and these are the given line segments. So ABCD is a trapezium with AB 8 centimeters, BC 6 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters, angle B is 60, then angle C is equal to 120 because AB is parallel to CD, then angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees because those two are co-interior angles. So angle C is equal to 120. That's it. So these are the required steps to follow. Now what we have to write the construction steps. First of all, draw the rough figure. Draw the rough figure with the given measurements. And secondly, find out the fifth measurement also, but I am not mentioning here, just drawing I am mentioning. And so construct a triangle. What we have constructed first with the triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC with the given by SAS rule. By SAS rule with the given measures. With the given measures. And secondly, what we did, thirdly, we have founded the fourth vertex D by constructing angle C and by taking the side CD. So C as center, that is, set the protractor at C, set the protractor at C, draw an arc, draw a ray CY which is making 120 degrees with the line segment BC. Okay, now fourth point, C as center with 4 centimeters radius, draw an arc using the compass, draw an arc which cuts the ray at ray CY at D. Now fifth point, join AD. Thus trapezium ABCD will be formed. So here only the difficult when you are constructing C, place the protractor in correct way. Okay, construct 120 degrees. Compulsory you will get correct quadrilateral if you are using the instrument. Okay, draw. So all these exercise problems with the instruments, draw example problems and exercise problems. Use the instruments and draw. So because I am showing in on the board, that's why I am unable to use the instruments. If I am using the instruments, then only I'll get the correct quadrilateral shape. But even though I am mentioning 60 degrees is acute angle, compulsory you'll get less than 90 degrees. 120 is obtuse, so compulsory you'll get more than 90 degrees. So at least that much idea you must have while you are constructing the angles. Don't confuse. Okay. Okay, let us revise till now whatever we have discussed, and some special types of quadrilaterals also we have, how we can construct without 5 measurements also. So that one we will discuss in the tomorrow's class. Now, whatever we have discussed till now, once again see, in our first exercise we have discussed when 4 sides and 1 angle is given, how to construct it. So in this case, compulsory they will give 4 sides. So before that, construct the side, take whatever angle they'll give and take this included side only, side, angle, side. Okay, means like this we will get side, angle, side. Okay, to get the fourth vertex we will use remaining 2 sides. Here onwards we will draw the arc, and from here we will draw the another arc. So like this we will get the quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 angle is given. So first we will find out the side, angle, side. We will draw the triangle by using the side, angle, side criterion, and then to get the fourth vertex we will use remaining 2 sides and we'll draw the arc by using the compass. Okay, and secondly, when 4 sides and diagonal is given, diagonal also line segment only, but we have to we have to join opposite points. So now for this, we will use side first of all. And here also we will use side and we will draw an arc. From this point only, we will use another side, that is diagonal. Side, diagonal and side. So 3 sides only. By using side criterion, we are constructing the triangle first. Then after, for the fourth vertex, the remaining 2 sides, here one side and from this another side we will use and draw the arc by using the compass. Like this we will get the fourth vertex, side, side. So side, diagonal. Like that we will get. First we will get the triangle using the side criterion, and then to get the fourth vertex, remaining 2 sides we will use. Okay. Now, thirdly, side, diagonal is given. 2 diagonals. First of all, construct the side, use another side and diagonal also. Here we will get side, diagonal. Means by using the side criterion, we will get the triangle in the first step. After that, to get the fourth vertex, we will use the another side, another diagonal and another side. Like this. So now this one is unknown. Just we will draw. This is we don't know. So this diagonal and this side we will use. Side, diagonal. First we will form triangle. To get the fourth vertex, another diagonal and another side we will use. That's it. And when side, angle, side, angle, angle is given. In this case, how to construct? So already several angles we are getting in this case. First of all, construct the side angle, side triangle, side angle, side triangle. Now we will get the three vertices. To get the fourth vertex, so use the angle. So this angle and this angle only we must use to get the fourth vertex. So like that, here angle, here angle. Okay. Next, fifthly, just whatever we have finished, side angle, side angle, side. Whatever included angles are given, use that side. First side, then angle, then side. So we will get the side angle, side triangle. After that, to get the fourth side, we will use that angle and included side itself and join these two. So angle and side. Now side, angle, side, angle, side. So by using all these measurements, we have constructed, we have seen what are the different rules, how to construct the quadrilateral. And tomorrow we will construct some more